Jollywood Nights is back for its second year, but is it better than the first? We think it might just be. It looks like Disney heard the angry mob and seriously increased the value of the ticket price with many new additions. So many, in fact, that we thought a full guide was in order so you can enjoy a fantastic night of holiday glamour. We put together the new entertainment, characters, food, and exciting merch, plus returning favorites, all in one convenient place, so sit back and get excited. Jollywood Nights will liven up Hollywood studios starting on November 9th through December 1st from 7:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. with ticket pricing ranging between $159 and $179. As usual, annual pass holders and DVC members can save $10 per ticket, and at the time of this recording, tickets for all nights are still available. Even though the event doesn't start until 7:30, you can actually enter the park as early as 6 p.m., and we highly encourage you to if character meet and greets are a priority. Your ticket to Jollywood includes a 5-hour limited capacity holiday party at Disney's Hollywood Studios, brand new and returning entertainment, more than 20 unique character experiences, fun PhotoPass pictures, which are actually, for once, included in your ticket, favorite attractions with lower wait times, and a Wonder-made sweet treat given as you exit the event. Of course, there will also be specialty treats, snacks, and beverages, but these are available for purchase and are not included in your ticket. Last year was the first for this event, and it was pretty controversial. With a hefty price tag and lack of entertainment, it kind of left us wanting more. So we are very happy to see that this year, the lineup of characters and shows has been expanded.
Let's get into the entertainment with the newest addition to Jollywood. I hope you're ready for some serious skating because Glisten will feature champion skaters performing amazing routines to a holiday soundtrack of original songs and Disney classics like my favorite, Be Our Guest, and When You Wish Upon a Star. You can catch this all-new skating spectacular on Hollywood Boulevard at 8:15, 9:15, 10:30, 11:15, and 12:15 a.m. Another fun new addition this year is a dance party where Joy, Frozone, Edna Mode, and other Pixar friends invite you to have a blast on the dance floor. I don't know about you guys, but seeing Edna's move should be a top priority because I am sure she is as much a dancing diva as she is a designer. Join them at Pixar Place behind the Hollywood Theater. Now, make sure you don't dance till you drop because this year you'll be able to step inside the scenes of the Muppet Christmas Carol and have your very own movie star moment inside of the Stage 1 company store. This sounds like a photo op, but who knows? We have one more new addition this year though, and surprisingly, it's in Galaxy's Edge. Last year, Jollywood Nights had no effect in this breathtaking Star Wars area of the park, so we're delighted to see that the Mandalorian will make an appearance. Normally, he's there during the daytime, but never at night. Having said that, it's not clear if he will roam or if he will be at his usual meet and greet spot, so that's just gonna have to be a surprise.
Now that we know what's new, let's take a look at the delightful lineup of returning entertainment, starting with Holidays in Hollywood at Theater of the Stars on Sunset Boulevard. This stage show is hosted by Muppets favorites Kermit the Frog and none other than Miss Piggy, who are joined by a cast of singers, dancers, and a live jazz band performing a medley of holiday songs. I will say that last year the jazz band sounded phenomenal, so if you're a music lover, we're sure you're going to have a great time. As the show goes on, you'll notice that it feels like a TV special, with occasional commercial breaks when the hosts talk to the live studio audience. It's a very entertaining spectacle, complete with performances by Princess Tiana and Belle, and special appearances by none other than Mickey and Minnie Mouse. If you like stage shows, we strongly suggest putting this one at the top of your list and arrive early, about 30 to 45 minutes for the best seats. You can catch this performance at 8:15, 9:15, 11:15, and 12:15 a.m. Up next, we have the Twilight Soirée in the courtyard of the Hollywood Tower Hotel. This is an elegant, smoky, swinging celebration where you can sip cocktails and unwind in style, while a live jazz band and talented singer crank out holiday tunes. If drinks and jazz is your scene, sets begin at 7:30, 8:10, 8:50, 9:30, 10:30, 11:10, and 11:50 p.m. For those of you who would rather be in the show rather than watch it, you can go dance the night away at the holiday Fiesta in La Calle in the animation courtyard from 7:30 to 12:30 a.m. In this lively street fair, you can expect a vibrant scene with warm lighting, colorful decor, and a Latin holiday tunes by live musicians. Plus, you'll get to hang out with Jose Carioca and Panchito from the Three Caballeros. How cool is that? After all that dancing, you'll definitely need to recharge your batteries. So head over to the Hollywood Brown Derby for Jazzy Holidays, which is a sit-down restaurant experience with a jazz pianist playing holiday tunes. Last year, there really wasn't much theming happening, but you can grab craft cocktails and try items from the event-exclusive menu. Do note that this is a limited capacity experience that filled up fast, and I mean fast, last year. Reservations are already available online, so if you're interested, grab your spot now. One of our favorites from last year was the Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along, and it's back! Now, I know what you're thinking, a sing-along, really? Yes, really! And honestly, since this event is geared for adults, barely anyone sang last year, and it just turned into a fun retelling of the beloved movie. Think of the show like a play, in which two characters jump into Tim Burton's fantastical world, where you will actually get to see Oogie Boogie and the life-size Jack Skellington puppet. Watch the show at 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 11:30, and 12:30 a.m. Last on our list of entertainment, we have Jollywood's exclusive fireworks and projection show, Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam, featuring holiday moments from favorite Disney films brought to life on the facade of the park's iconic Chinese theater at 10 p.m. each night of the event.
It's time to talk about the more than 20 character experiences. The amount they have is insane, and many are meeting for the first time this year, including Baloo or King Louie from Tailspin at Echo Lake, Jose or Panchito from the Three Caballeros at Animation Courtyard, Bo Peep or Lotso from the Toy Story movies at the entrance to Toy Story Land, The Mandalorian at Galaxy's Edge, and Joy from Inside Out appearing at Pixar Plaza. You'll also be able to meet some returning favorites, and those are Phineas and Ferb, who, by the way, were insanely popular last year, so plan accordingly, Max Goof as Powerline, and Rescue Rangers Chip and Dale all meeting around Echo Lake. Plus, Santa Stitch appearing at Celebrity Spotlight near Echo Lake, which is where you'd normally find Olaf. Some other exclusive characters include Santa Duffy at Santa's Workshop at Grand Avenue, Mickey and Minnie Mouse at Red Carpet Dreams on Commissary Lane, and finally at Pixar Plaza, you'll get a chance to meet Edna Mode and Frozone from The Incredibles, and the classic Disney superstars Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Goofy, and Pluto. We're happy to see that they have really stepped up their game with the characters this year. Meet and greets are always a huge draw to these events, and Jollywood has so many characters that are exclusive to it that it's bound to draw in fans.
Characters won't be the only big draw though. All food lovers will be able to enjoy the delicious dishes at Jollywood this year. Let's see what we've got in store for our tummies, starting with the Holiday Turkey Popover at Fairfax Fair. This is a roasted turkey and creamy mashed potatoes, topped with gravy and cranberry chutney in a house-made popover. Up next, we have talk about a holiday cookie, which are cranberry cheesecake-filled chocolate cookies dipped in cranberry white chocolate topped with pistachio whipped cream, gold crispy pearls, chocolate holly leaf decor, and holiday sprinkles. This one is new this year and the presentation is top-notch. You can get it at the ABC commissary. Another cookie, which is also a returning favorite, is the Christmas Gertie cookie with a Santa hat, found at various lounges and outdoor vending locations. I really like that there is going to be several places selling this cookie because last year it was available at only one location and the line went on for miles due to its high level of adorable cuteness. Unfortunately, it's not vegan, but they do have plant-based gingerbread bites at a variety of vendor locations. Talking about vegan, we're very excited to see a nice selection of plant-based dishes this year, like the samosas at the Dockside Diner. These are potato and pea stuffed samosas with curried chickpeas, herbed crema, and tomato pomegranate chutney. That sounds so good. We also have a cauliflower taco featuring a chili pepper lime dusted fried cauliflower on top of a corn tortilla with diced onion, cilantro, and a chipotle cashew crema. Grab that one at the ABC commissary. If you're not feeling Mexican, they have a tofu bao, which is a seared tofu, cucumber slaw, and soy vinaigrette found at the Hollywood Brown Derby. At the same location, it looks like they've added several new items to the menu for the Jazzy Holidays dining experience, including the chorizo arancini with Parmesan dust and salmorejo tomato sauce. I don't even know what that is, but it sounds like I'd want it. The hamachi crudo with caper aioli, Dijon avocado mousse, and citrus champagne vinaigrette. The Jazzy Holiday slider made with bison and pork, onion jam, dulce gorgonzola and arugula on a brioche bun, and the sticky chicken wings with sweet and spicy soy. Last but not least, if drinks are your thing, head over to the Tip Top Club at the Hollywood Tower Hotel for some specialty drinks, like the top floor daiquiri with Parrot Bay coconut rum, ube, lime juice, and a splash of shimmer.
No after hours event is complete without merch, and last year was kind of a letdown in that department with only one t-shirt. It seems that they heard the fans though, because this year the lineup has expanded significantly. The mascot for Jollywood Nights is Ollie, an adorable saxophone playing gingerbread man who isn't shy to be featured on all of the apparel, including a deep red spirit jersey with an all-over pattern, a graphic tee with Ollie on Sunset Boulevard, a blue lug bag perfect for holding all your park essentials, and an ear headband featuring Ollie as a plush with embroidered ears, satin bow ties, and the Jollywood event marquee on the top. But that's not all. We have a few more items for you, and they are a retro-inspired mug with a diner silhouette featuring Ollie, a tree ornament with Ollie and the event logo inside a wood picture frame, and finally, for all you pin collectors, they will have the first ever limited edition Jollywood pin. This is a huge upgrade from last year, and I think they did an awesome job with the design and color schemes for the merch. I feel like every item is equally attractive, so I have no doubt guests will have a hard time choosing which ones to take home. If you're looking to do some shopping, you can find all the Jollywood Night merch at the Stage 1 company store.
Whether you decided to dress up for the party or not, you'll probably want some pictures to commemorate the night. And it makes me so happy to see that for this party, unlike the Halloween and Christmas parties, all digital photos and videos from the event are included with your ticket. Cue the cheering! Honestly, for the price tags of this event, I do feel like including PhotoPass should be standard. We can only hope though. One thing that's very cool, which we enjoyed last year, was the specialty image capture, which is a robot arm video like the ones you see on red carpets. When we did it, we had 1 second to strike a fun pose or movement, and the camera did the rest. If you'd like to add a splash of glamour to your night, get your specialty image at Stage 1 on Grand Avenue. We think this year is going to go much better than last, and hopefully future years will bring new and fun surprises. Thank you so much for watching our guide to Jollywood Nights 2024. If you have questions, drop them in the comments for us. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you soon. Bye!